Assalamu alaikum. Well, right now I'm here only for practicing purpose, and as you can see, I'm just sitting in front of the camera and I'd like to say something. Okay, so just look at this. I'm showing you. Yes, this is a tamarind. Tamarind, and do you know how tasty is this? Actually, it is sour. It tastes so much sour. But why? Because in this tamarind, here in this tamarind, we can see the tartaric acid, and this is the main reason of sourness. So remember this, the name of the acid of the turmeric is tartaric acid, and this tartaric acid is the main reason of its sourness. And also this tartaric acid helps to digest different kinds of foods. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.